Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how much I have made since I started investing on EasyEquities tax-free savings account, and I'll also share my investment strategy. So what is a tax-free savings account? A tax-free savings account, or TFSA in short, is an account that allows you to invest and not get taxed on your interest, dividends and capital gains. So the National Treasury in South Africa allows you to invest 36,000 a year and a total of 500,000 over a lifetime. South Africans automatically get a tax-free savings account when they sign up for an EasyEquities account. So inside a TFSA, you can invest in a wide range of ETFs, bundles and baskets. So here you can't invest in individual shares. So let's quickly go to my portfolio and see what is driving the profit. So this might come as a surprise to many, but I only have one ETF to make my life simple. So the name of the ETF is called Signia S&P 500. It tracks the S&P 500 index, which is a group of 500 largest American companies by market cap. So far I have made a profit of 22,186, which is 60.9%. I have contributed a total amount of 33,000. So that was in August of 2018. This is the only amount that I have contributed to my tax-free savings account so far. So the funds sat idle for over a year while I was searching for the right investment. So during that time, the money was gaining interest. Then by the time I decided to buy something, I had 34,669.18 cents. And then using the whole amount in September of 2019, I bought the Signia S&P 500 ETF. So I got 773 shares of Signia S&P 500 ETF initially, and one share was 45 Rand 75 cent. I kept on reinvesting whenever the ETF paid dividends. So now I'm sitting on 804 shares with an average purchase price of 45 Rand 28 cent. So the current price of each share is 74 Rand 86 cent. So basically I'm sitting on profit because I bought low and now the price is high. So if we scroll down, we can basically see the graph and the past performance. So the reason I have made profit is that the shares inside the ETF appreciated in value. So basically, like your Apple, your Microsoft, Alphabet, Facebook, all these shares are more valuable than when I bought it. Another factor is the weakening of the rand when compared to the dollar. The price of the ETF goes up when the rand gets weaker. So I follow a simple strategy, guys. My strategy is to buy and hold. So I want to be able to passively invest and not worry about the ups and downs of the stock market. So there's no need for me to actively monitor my portfolio every day. I just wait for dividends and reinvest to speed up the compound effect. So I plan to max out my contribution going forward. So basically every year I will try to reach my limits on the tax-free savings account and not withdraw anything. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you for watching and happy investing.